How to register at DIQEM. Open your browser and go to DIQEM.com. Click on Register, top right corner, fill in your details, full name. Email address must be correct, create a password. Important instructions. Make sure you enter your correct and accessible email. It will be used for password recovery, forgot password, official communication from the DIQEM team. Click on Sign Up. Now select your course. As I choose Civil Judge and Judicial Magistrate Preparation course. Kindly check the enrollment is open or not. You can see the subjects list here. Click on Start Now to enroll in the course. Congratulations! Now you are registered at DIQEM and also enrolled in the course.